Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of Foley sound effects. The addition of sound effects in post-production is probably one of the most underappreciated arts in film production. I have selected a few everyday items to create some really cool sci-fi sound effects. You will need an Xbox, dustbin and paintbrush, skipping rope, and a printer. You can create some really cool sound effects by recording the noises an Xbox makes when you turn it on and open the disc tray. To me, it sounds a bit like a retinal scanner. You can imagine somebody being scanned to get into a top secret high security lab. In slow motion, it sounds like a security drone detecting an intruder, or an intercom announcement on a spaceship. By tapping a paintbrush on a plastic bin, you can make the sound of a heartbeat. If you speed it up, it sounds like a cartoon character's heartbeat, like Bugs Bunny. By swinging a skipping rope, you can make the sound of a lasso. And when you speed it up, I think it sounds like a boomerang or some kind of weapon. You can use the sound of a printer to make a robot automation sound. Speed it up and figure out what you think it sounds like. It could be a robot doing a medical procedure in a sci-fi story. You don't need any fancy equipment to record your sound effects. All you need is a mobile phone and your imagination. Just remember to record the sounds in a quiet room and hang some sound absorbing material like a blanket behind you when you're recording. There is a free app you can download to your phone called Audio Speed Changer. This will speed up or slow down your sound effects for you. I hope you enjoyed these sound effects. Until next time, be creative.